much further into it. Still got to get the boards all back up in there. Take that down and then get the roofing metal back up in there. Then this little section over here, this will probably leave the old roof. We got to fix this here. Slowly but surely. Up there's our chicken tractor. Then we got to start after that, tearing all this down over here. Alrighty, you can see here what we're doing. Where we're putting that metal down. There's a broke board. That's what happened to me the other night. I didn't have it on film. That would have gave y'all a good laugh. Especially when Carolyn was over there, standing over there, and she turned back around. I wasn't standing up here. Where did you go? I didn't fall all the way down through. Fell a little ways, strained myself trying to pull this body back up. Alrighty, let's get back to attaching some more of these boards down. Alrighty. Next time we'll be showing you getting the metal down on there. And then hopefully before long we'll be showing you the finished product, I hope. They're giving some nasty weather coming up, so that'll probably slow us down a little bit on getting that done. But folks, I'd like to thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the like button. Got any kind of questions, let us know. We'll try to answer them for you. You all have a blessed day. Thank you again for watching.